Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at Gaya wallet. It is now official, the TGE confirmed, and we are going to look at their latest updates. So here on their S account, they made this update. They said it is official. Gaya TGE is locked for 18th January 2026. Did you hear that? 18th January 2026. That is in Q1 2026. They said you have months to position yourself, not minutes. So you have months to position yourself, collect SP, refer friends, use the wallet, stack your on-chain activity. It will be worth it. More big news coming this weekend. This is what they made 22 hours ago. So if you are mining this project, you need to take it extremely serious. They have confirmed their TGE, which is said according to them, they are going to list on January 18th, 2026. So you still have a lot of time to do the necessary tasks, collect your SRP, refer your friends, use the wallet, stack your on-chain activity. On-chain activity. Now, let's go to the Gaya wallet app. Coming to the Gaya wallet app, you are going to see that the app has already been updated for a long time. You click on this present icon here. If you tap on this present, now this is your airdrop session. And you can see that I have 6,170 SP, and they say you should refer, collect your SRP, do your on-chain activities. They have made it clear that one of their airdrop eligibility criteria is that you must perform on-chain activity for you to have enough rank. If you look here, you can see that my current rank is unranked. I am unranked because I have not performed the on-chain activity, which is to swap Solana for you to be able to get ranked. Not that they are not going to distribute airdrop to others who do not have rank, but if you are able to swap Solana on this particular Gaya wallet, your rank, you will have a rank. They have so many rank here. They have the silver rank, they have the gold, they have the platinum. So the higher you swap your Solana, the higher your rank. But this is not a financial advice. Before you invest in any projects, always make your personal research. Project, if you believe in them, if you truly believe that this project is going to give you what you want, you can go ahead and do it. But if not, do not just waste your money unnecessary. Always invest more than you can afford to lose. This is crypto stroke airdrop. Anything can happen at any time. Here is an avenue for you to earn more SRP even without having any rank. Currently, I don't have a rank. So for you to earn SRP, you have to follow Gaya blockchain on Instagram and you receive 25. Then you review their app, you receive 10 SRP. If you app review on Play Store, you receive 10. Do all the tasks on Instagram, you make a new task, expose, like, repost, and leave a comment, you receive 2. So how do you do it? Let's just do this S task. Once you click on it, you click on this complete task. It's going to redirect you to the S, which is to like, repost, and make and drop a comment. Once you repost, you quote, you drop a comment. You can say Gaya to the moon, Gaya wallet to the moon, wallet to the moon. So you post it. So this is what they required from you. Then you go back to your Gaya wallet. Going back to our Gaya wallet, you can now see I have completed. Look at what they said. Any attempt to cheat the system will result in a reset of points and a permanent ban for participating on Gaya task. Once you have performed the task, make sure you do the task. You come back and click mark as complete, calculating, error, unable to fetch task. Okay, I'm going to mark it again because I have done it. Let's give it time. Success, task completed, task will be verified and points will be rewarded within 24 hours. So within 24 hours, I'm going to receive that 2 SRP. So this is basically how to do your quest. Now do on-chain activities. You need to swap Solana. Swap Solana for you to be able to have a rank. Now these are the partnership tasks. Okay, nothing here. Currently, nothing there. So basically, this is what you need to know. Go and update your wallet, get ready, perform your tasks, invite your friends to earn more SRP. You still have a lot of time from now to January. It's like, let me say, 2 months. So you can still get something from it. And if you have not started mining this project, look at the link in the video description. Don't wait to start immediately. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you, guys.